minute, so I forgot to turn the wheel off, so I'm on the way to turn the wheels off. Yeah, I need you to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man, so every time your boy drop. So boy, country boy 652, man. I'm on the way to turn the wheels off. I got one wheel down there, it's raining like a month. It's raining, man. So yeah, I gotta go down. I gotta go down through the field. I had to come get the 8400 to go turn the wheels off. So I decided I'd bring y'all along with me, man. As I go turn the wheels off. I'm gonna turn this one wheel off, and I'm taking it in, man. Yeah, then I'm taking it in. That's the peanut field. That's the bean field. So yeah, man. You know, I'm gonna let y'all ride along with me as I turn this one wheel off, man. Got my little friend up there. Bring y'all along with me. Got my whole bunch down, bro. Bunch of holes, man. Been raining all. Well, it ain't been raining all day. It started raining probably like. I think all the rain came in probably like 10 o'clock. It's been raining ever since then. I'm gonna bring y'all along with me, man. Yeah, man, y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that notification bell so every time your boy drop, man. It's your boy, country boy, 662, man. You know, y'all, man, everything that I do, bring y'all along with me. I'm going to, next week, take y'all along with me, man, as I go. I want to look at my rims. I want to look at my rims for the truck, OBS truck, the tires, man. Y'all jump down there in the comment section, man. Let me know what kind of tires I need to get, what kind of rims I need to get, man, for the OBS truck too, man. Y'all hit that jump down in the comment section below, man. Yeah, y'all jump down in the comment section below, man. We got a lot of water too. So we got a lot of water. Gonna go turn this wheel off on these fingers, and let me take it in, man. I just had to bring y'all a video, man. I'm just doing windshield white work, you know. I had to bring y'all a video, man. Y'all hit that subscribe button, man. My everyday life, man. Everything that I got going on around me, man. With farming, with the OBS truck, anything that I'm feeling, man. I'm bringing y'all along with me, man. Bring y'all along with me. Probably we ain't seen no deals yet. Yeah, man, we got a lot of water down here. We got a lot of water in the city. Oh, you know what he stopped for, cause I ain't got time for him. Bring y'all along with me, man. That's right. Peanut field. I gotta slide way over there to the motor. I gotta walk over there to the motor. Turn the motor. Turn my car just on my phone, guys. I drive over there to the motor. I ain't got to drive because they're going to be across the pipe. So I had to walk over there to the peanut field. But not the peanut field, the motor. Turn the motor off. And bring y'all along with me, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. Let's run your boy, man. Let's run your boy, man. It's free, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. Cost nothing, man. Like I said, I'm gonna bring y'all along everything that I do. every day of my country living, man. Whatever I'm doing, on the phone, with my OBS truck, building it. Whatever I'm doing, I'm bringing y'all along with the trail ride, race track, whatever I'm doing, y'all coming along with me, man. So yeah, that's the pipe right there. And I ain't gonna be able to cross the pipe. So we gonna have to walk. And guess who walking with me? Y'all walking with me, man. It is raining. Country living, man. It's way over there, through them trees. But I'm bringing y'all along with me, man. I got him sitting up there waiting. He's sitting up there waiting. Yeah. Got all that water. Look how it's running out. Here we got a pipe bust. Look. Look how the water coming out. I almost feel it bust my ass. I'm bringing y'all along with me, man. So the motor gonna turn off. Look at them peanuts right there. Peanut right there look good. They got a pipe bust. Look at that. Man, can't win for losing. Look at that, peanut right there looks good. Turn this boat off and taking it in, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that notification bell. Hit that notification bell, man. Every time your boat drive, man. That's it, man. That's it, man. But yeah, it's raining. I'm finna take it in. So, yeah, it's raining, man. Your boy finna take it in. Just turned the motor off. In the pecan, not the pecan field, in the peanut field. So, your boy finna take it in for the day. Come back out tomorrow. And do it all over again, man. We gotta go and fix the, we gotta go fix the stuff tomorrow. Get the stuff ready, man. And yeah, man, it's your boy, Country Boy, 662, man. Chilling, man. Well, I ain't chilling. Really walked through the mud. Going back to this 8400. And I'm finna take it in, man. I'm finna take it in, man. Like I said, man, hit that subscribe button, man. It's free. It costs nothing. Hit that subscribe button, man. Nothing, man. Nothing. Nothing, man. So yeah, man. Water running off. I had to get the tractor, come out here and turn this off, and I'm gonna take it in, man. So, yeah, I got the big 8400 over here, so I'm gonna take it in, man. It's your boy, Country Boy 662, man. You need y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that notification bell, man. That's where your boy, man. Like I said, everything that's around me, basically on my lifestyle, everything that I'm doing, man. Ain't nothing fake, ain't nothing phony, man. I'm working 9 to 5, you know, trying to make it, man. Just like that, man. That's what it was, man. That's what it was. Alright? Now.